How to disable Game Booster on Samsung. Does Samsung Game Booster keep appearing while you're playing games? In this video, I'll show you how to manage and disable its available features. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gaming Hub. First, open the Gaming Hub app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. Open More Options. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Step 3. Open Game Booster Settings. From here, tap on Game Booster Settings. Step 4. Find the available options. Here, you'll see the Game Booster features and settings available on your Samsung device. Step 5. Turn off the feature. Now find the Game Booster feature you want to disable and switch the toggle off. Step 6. Check your game. Go back to your game and check whether the Game Booster feature you disabled is no longer active. And that's how you can disable the available Game Booster features on your Samsung phone. Keep in mind that the exact options can vary depending on your Samsung model and One UI version. Thanks for watching.